Hello, hello. Magandang gabi. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Kung saan ka man lupalop ng mundo right now. Gerard Claudio here. So, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin ng dirito ka ngayon nakikinig. And either you are full-time parent, no? Nasa stay-at-home parent ka na full-time ka, or possible na may full-time ka na trabaho, or I mean you're someone na merong full-time na focus and then nag-iisip ka o pinag-aaralan mo, either pumasok ka na sa network marketing, iniisip mo, possible ba na gawin talaga ang network marketing ng part-time? So let me explain this one. Kasi this is this is where the magic of network marketing comes in. So let me give you the straight answer. The straight answer is yes. Pwede. And bakit best na option siya? Marami ngayon pagkakakitaan. Halimbawa, pwede kang mag-affiliate. Pwede kang mag-create ng post for TikTok. Pwede naman, marami kang pwedeng gawing pagkakakitaan. Pero sa akin, more than just earning online, ang isa sa mga nakita kong bibigyan kita ng reason kung bakit network marketing. Well, number one, as long as maayos yung company, maayos yung product, so you don't have to worry about so many technicalities sa product. Kasi basta maganda ang product ng isang network marketing company, lalong-lalo na yung unique yung product, which means either yung product is meron siyang specific na exclusivity doon sa company, magandang maganda siyang way to really get more customers. And of course, the product addresses needs, na ganun. So yun yung una, hindi mo kailangang i-worry yun. Diba? Hindi mo kailangang i-worry kung maganda yung product kasi the product in itself is really good. And secondly, as long as the team is meron siyang online aspect, may online factor, which is, I know marami pang mga network marketers hindi naniniwala dito. There's so many network marketers na sinasabi na, ako parang feeling ko hindi kayang online, hindi mga ganun and all. Anyway, so ako naniniwala ako sa online. So, I really believe na kayang gawin ang network marketing ng online. Right? So, as long as merong online aspect ng network marketing, yun yung isang advantage na as well. Meron lang kasi talaga guys, whether we like it or not, meron lang kasi talagang mga limitations kung hardcore offline lang talaga gagawin ang pag-network. Ito personal opinion ko. Marami akong mga teammates na they are very good at offline. So sabi ko, ituloy nyo yun. Lalo na yung mga gusto talagang bumulusok sa network marketing, mga nagpo-full-time, talagang magaling sa offline. And sabi ko sa kanila, dagdagan natin ng online. So, marami sa amin, sa team namin na part-time ginagawa yung business, nagagawa nila yung business ng part-time kasi may online aspect yung system. So, yun yung isang bagay na na-appreciate ko. Which I think marami ng mga communities right now na network marketing na meron naman talagang online aspect. So, yun yung isa. That's why, by the way, if you want to learn about that, go to pinoynetworko.org. Pinoynetworko.org. Kung hindi mo pa na-avail yung course na to, thousands of network marketers already enrolled in this course. Check mo dyan sa may comment, andyan yung pinned, or check mo dito sa may caption. You can see that one. Okay? Anyway. So, yun yung akin. So, may online, pwede mo siyang gawin ng online. Another one is, meron kang existing community na patuloy na mag-encourage sa'yo. Ito yung isang bagay na namimiss out ng karamihan. Yes, maraming income opportunity sa labas. Pero yung merong mag-encourage sa'yo along the way, yung merong mag-guide sa'yo, magre-remind sa'yo, yung merong magme-mentor sa'yo kung ano yung next step na gagawin. Yung kung pwedeng mag-shortcut yung process mo kasi someone else is teaching you how to do it, malaking factor sa network marketing yun, which is, I believe, sa ibang mga income opportunity, wala naman nun eh. Unless, of course, right now, uso na yung mga community building, ganun. Pero sa network marketing, yun talagang isang factor. Natural kasi talaga sa network marketing yun. Na meron ka talaga, kumbaga parang given siya, hindi siya sinasadya ba na kailangan pa natin mag-create ng whatever. Meron na kasi talaga nun. No, yun yung isang aspect dito kung bakit niniwala ako na kaya sa part-time. Another one, if kung maayos lang din yung sistema ng community, is wala ka masyadong over expenses. Okay? Wala ka masyadong OPEX. Ibig sabihin, wala ka masyadong binabayaran tulad kung magta-traditional business ka. Traditional business might require a lot of money to run, especially kung, for example, part-time mo siya, so you have to pay people to run on your behalf. So medyo challenge yung part na yun. But with network marketing, ito yung, kasi leverage building siya eh. So ibig sabihin, kahit na nag-grow yung business mo at gusto mo mag-stay ng part-time, kaya mo siyang gawin ng part-time. Yun yung magandang isang part ng pag-business dito. Tama ba? Do you agree with me? So, sinasabi ko to lahat kasi network marketing is still relevant up to this day. Kung nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin sa video na to, Maybe papakinggan mo to mamaya. Or nandito ka, like nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin as of the moment, super relevant talaga ng network marketing as of this moment. Again, you have so much opportunity you have so much opportunity na gagawin sa labas. But nothing beats, personally for me, I love this industry. Gusto ko tong industry na to. So for part-time, naisip ko lang to guys, no? Kasi I am preparing something. Maybe a month from now, sa October, I will be launching a webinar. And we will be talking about how, and isa sa mga aspect ito, paano ka gagawin ng part-time. So we will be injecting automation on this. And then this is so that's one webinar you have to stand out to stand by, no. I would like to maganda tong webinar na to. But I'm gonna do it on October ko siya gagawin. So standby kayo kasi marami tayong pag-uusapan. Paano yung mga tools, ano yung mga systems in place. Tama? So kung if you're looking forward for that webinar, type mo lang dyan webinar. Wala pa ako ibibigay na details. I'm still finalizing it one. Type mo webinar dyan para makita mo na. So let's see if you're interested with that. So anyway, so let's talk about another one. Tulad na dito, kailangan ba talaga mag full-time sa pag-network? Well, the answer is hindi necessary at the beginning. Okay, so yung isa sa mga rule namin sa team, kaya mong gawin ng part-time ang pag-network. So example, halimbawa may business ka on the side or meron kang full-time na trabaho on the side or meron kang you have things happening around you. Hindi mo kailangang iwan 'yun. Tama? And just focus on network marketing. I would rather suggest gawin mo siya ng part-time until such time yung kinikita mo is mag-equal dun sa kinikita mo sa trabaho mo. Full-time is the advantage of that is you have more time to allot. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung saan mo i-allot yung oras mo sa pag-network, part-time is my recommendation for you. Maliwanag. Yan talagang pinaka-essence neto. Kaya, even we teach that sa team namin. Tinuturo ko yan sa team namin. Kasi I want people to understand that very, very possible gawin ang pag-network ng part-time. Okay? Si Josephine, beginner siya. No? Hello, ma'am. Hello, Dante. Kamusta? Okay. Hello, Ma'am Fe. Good evening. Kamusta? So, yan. Maliwanag ba? So, don't feel the pressure of going full-time agad. Huwag mong feel yung pressure na mag-full-time ka agad. Hindi siya necessary eh. I think mas necessary yung ito yung tanong, hindi yung kailan ako mag-full-time. Ang tanong, sa limited na oras na meron ako, how can I make the most impact positively sa business ko sa network marketing? Kasi kaya siya. Kaya talaga siya. Hello, Ma'am Norna. Magandang gabi. Hello, kamusta? Yan. Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning sa my comment. So, it doesn't require much capital, which means wala kang running expenses sa sobrang laki. Hindi mo na kailangang i-worry majority of the business like product or fulfillment o pagde-develop. Hindi mo na kailangan yun kasi the company doing that on your behalf. So it removes majority of your headache. All you have to do is learn how to market it. Whatever product or service, no? Yun yung isa. And then you have a community given na yun, embed kasi kumbaga nakanuot na yun sa kultura at saka sistema na network marketing na meron talagang community, merong upline, merong nagme-mentor sa'yo along the way. Okay, so, which means along the way, kahit na part-time mo siya ginagawa, merong nag-guide sa'yo, merong uma-assist sa'yo. Tama ba? So, possible ba, Gerard, na lumaki ang income sa pagpa-part-time? Yes, possible siya. Possible siyang gawin. And, paano yun, Gerard? Kasi yung upline ko, pino-force ako mag-full-time. I think kailangan mo lang siguro makapag-usap ng maayos sa apply mo. Sabihin mo, apply, ito yung kasi yung situation ko. Kapag nag-full-time ako, ito yung mangyayari. Ano yung pwedeng gawin? So kung hindi maliwanag, kung wala pa naman ng maliwanag na plan, I will not recommend you to go full-time. Immediately, agad-agad. Hindi kasi talaga siya healthy eh. Ang tinitingnan ko talaga sa teammate ko is ano yung routine your habit niya. Kasi if the person is not willing to engage on the routine or the habit of the business, medyo magkakaproblema kung mag-full-time siya. Tama? So, aralin niya muna. So, aralin muna on the side habang binibuild. Kasi, lalaki naman talaga yan eh. Kasi, magkakaroon ako ng customers and then you'll have your teammates, lalaki siya. So, along the way, but at the same time, hindi siya nangyayari lang. Kailangan pinaplano siya. Hindi mo pwedeng hihintayin mo lang yung growth ng business mo. Pinaplano yan, binibuild yan, ina-execute yan. Yan. Sabi ni Ma'am Beth, meron siyang garden at sari-sari store. Wow. Okay? So yan. Okay lang, Ma'am Fe. Take it one step at a time lang. No worries. Yan. Early learning. So, don't feel guilty kung part-time ka. In fact, you prove it to yourself na kaya mo siya. Tama? Pero isang ibagay lang ng mga problem ng part-time. Hindi mo pwedeng hindi ka aangat sa network marketing kung gagawin mo lang siya kung kailan ka libre. Hindi nag-work ang ganun. So, mag-work ang network marketing, guys, kung paglalaanan mo siya ng oras. Maliwanag? Paglalaanan mo siya ng oras. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin mo lang na kung kailan lang libre, yun lang gagawin ko. Yun na naman ang problem doon. Paglalaanan mo siya ng oras. Magbibigay ka ng oras na ganitong time, magna-network marketing ako every day, araw-araw. Yes, there will be adjustments on your schedule. Yes, there will be changes on your schedule. May mga emergency, whatever. But kailangan mag-allot ka ng oras. Ito yung gagawin ko, by hook or by crook. I will let go of your schedule. Ganun mo siya gagawin. Natututo ba? I hope you're learning. And go to pinoynetworker.org. Mas marami kayong mga strategy makukuha doon. More tactics yon. And then, we will have our webinar on October. More of that. We're gonna learn more about tools para magagawin ng network marketing using the latest trends and latest na technology na pwede mong may implement. Sa type mong webinar kung gusto mo, kung look forward ka na maka-attend ng webinar na yan sa October. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.